India is moving fast and the way we drive is changing forever. But a true electric revolution isn't just about changing fuel. It is about upgrading your lifestyle. Enter Vinfast. You've likely heard the buzz, but who is the powerhouse behind it? Vinfast is the premium electric vehicle brand of the Vingroup, one of Vietnam's largest multi-billion-dollar conglomerates with massive global footprints spanning high-end technology, real estate, healthcare and education. Backed by this immense global legacy, Vinfast is backing its India ambitions with a massive 16,000 crore rupee investment. Embracing the government's Make in India initiative, Vinfast has inaugurated a highly advanced electric vehicle manufacturing unit in Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. Built with an initial $500 million investment, this facility will roll out up to 150,000 vehicles annually, directly supporting local employment and driving community growth. Phase 2 will expand this hub to develop dedicated workshops for clean electric buses and high-tech electric scooters, forging a complete green mobility ecosystem. Right now, Vinfast is storming the Indian market with 3 heavily loaded electric vehicles which have been tailored precisely for the evolving consumer expectations. First, the Vinfast VF6, the urban smart electric SUV ideal for daily city commutes. It packs a premium interior, level 2 ADAS active safety, a top Bharat NCAP 5-star crash test safety rating, and a powerful front-wheel drive motor pushing up to 204 PS of power, 310 Nm of torque, and an incredible 468 km of driving range. Next, the Vinfast VF7, the premium performance electric SUV. It boasts a bold futuristic design, an immersive 12.9-inch touchscreen, and a colored heads-up display. For enthusiasts, its flagship dual-motor all-wheel drive setup unleashes a massive 353 PS of power and 500 Nm of torque, smashing a 0-100 sprint in just 5.8 seconds, while delivering a staggering 532 km of range and up to 10 to 70% DC fast charging in just under 28 minutes. And finally, the Vinfast VF MPV7, the ultimate family-focused 7-seater mobility solution. It offers a highly spacious, flexible cabin with connected touchscreen infotainment, voice assistance, a long-distance 517 km of range to handle family highway road trips seamlessly. To move your family quickly around town, this electric MPV pumps out 204 PS of power and 280 Nm of torque. But Vinfast is completely rewriting the economics of vehicle ownership in India. While running a traditional petrol SUV can burn nearly 3 lakh rupees in fuel over 3 years, a Vinfast EV slashes your running costs to almost 1 rupee per kilometer. To make your switch seamless, Vinfast is introducing some of the most aggressive customer-first programs ever seen in India. All owners receive 100% complimentary public charging across the vast V-Green network all the way until March 31st, 2029, dropping your fuel bills to absolute zero for years. Thanks to the ICE to EV exchange program, where dealers assist you in reselling your old car at market price while giving you huge cash support discounts on a new Vinfast EV. You also get a complimentary portable charger, free routine maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 kilometers, and an industry-leading warranty package on the vehicle and battery pack. If you are worried about EV depreciation, the corporate-backed residual value guarantee program physically protects your investment, guaranteeing an assured resale value of up to 75% with structured buyback options from 2 to 5 years. Through their purpose-led Seeds of Change program, for every single consumer test drive taken at their dealership, Vinfast plants a tree and provides nutritious meal to underserved children across orphanages. In a short span of time, the brand has served meals to over 6,500 kids and planted over 6,500 trees, highlighting strong customer interest in brand Vinfast. From urban streets to Tier 3 and Tier 4 markets, Vinfast is rapidly building a robust nationwide footprint with a 75 showroom target for 2026. And long-term service is ironclad thanks to partnerships with India's most trusted service networks, including Castrol, MyTVS and RoadGrid. Stunning global designs, massive performance, zero-cost charging, and a profound commitment to communities. Head down to your nearest Vinfast showroom, book a test drive, plant a tree, feed a child, and experience the absolute future of premium electric mobility today.